Hello, this is James Smith at GANanalysis.net. Today we're looking at Meta. You can see we started from this low here in November of 2022. That's just about 3 years ago, or 156 weeks low to high. And then this week, coincidentally, this week it started to crash. It took out the 1x1, which from a GAN perspective is the most important GAN line you need to follow. And this is a 2x1, this is a 1x2, but the 1x1, this line here is the most important. Taking that out, in theory, you could be starting a correction. Now, caveat, we took it out here and we recovered it. So if you break and recover, yeah, you can go to new highs. The same thing could happen here. You could break, recover, and go to new highs. But this rally is pretty long in the tooth. You completed a 156-week cycle low to high. The odds are stacked against you. It doesn't mean it's impossible. It's always a game of odds. So 156-week cycle combined with breaking the 1x1 line is a time and price setup from a GAN perspective. It means you could go down here. So that's a pretty big correction. Or maybe you go down here or down here. We don't know. We just know that it's probably going to be a pretty big correction because breaking the 1x1 after a huge rally in sync with the 156-week cycle, 45-week cycle, those are important cycles. You had a 52-week cycle, low to high, 30-week cycle here. You do have enough cycles suggesting a possible top. So keep that in mind, make up your mind, decide what you want to do, but don't take a lot of time doing it because from a GAN perspective, this is a huge signal. And again, GAN could be wrong, but if you don't recover this 1x1 line next week, you're probably going down. That's the way GAN would read it.